Hello, it's another Cooking with Rod video. And you're probably wondering, what is this all about? Because I got some sliced peaches here, I got some cinnamon streusel here, I got some eggs, I got some oil, I got some canola oil, I got a pan. You're going, what is this all about? In a bowl, of course, yes. So what it is all about is we're going to set the oven to bake at 400 degrees. Yep. Oh, make sure everything's out of the... Yeah, I always leave that in there, that's for sure. Yep. It's almost 444, by the way. So this is going to be like an angel video. It's going to wait for 444. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's taking too long. Anyway, so I am going to attempt old school peach cobbler. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make some old school peach cobbler, which is interesting because this is something that my mom had taught me. Ooh, look at 444. A long time ago. So let's get cracking. Okay, 2 eggs. And I think there's like 3/4 cups of water and some oil. Yes, let's get to it. So instead of putting 3/4 cups of water in this, I actually used the peach juice to actually thicken it up a little bit and get it stirred up in there. And so we put the 2 eggs, and I put in the mix, and I'm supposed to whip it up until it's not chunky anymore, and prepare the pan, I guess, in a sense. So I put canola spray all over the pan so that it won't stick, kind of like my muffins did the last time I did this. LOL. Funny. And we're going to start adding the stuff. So we got the 2 cans of yummy peaches in there, and put them in first, put them on the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to add the mix. Just pour the mix into the pan, scrape it out, and then we're going to even it out on top of it. Smooth it out as best as you can on top of the peaches, and then of course lick your finger. Wait a minute, there's raw eggs in there, isn't there? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nah, I'm not scared. Then we're going to pop it in the oven. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the strudel mix that we're going to put over the top here to make it crispy. Yes. Yummy. Yummy. Of course, you know, strudel mix is mostly sugar and brown sugar and cinnamon. Yep. And so that's going to be yummy, 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 yummy. I think I got it all out. Yes. That, and then break it up. Making sure it's all in there, clumped or whatever. Just make sure it's kind of even also, because that will give it the crispy, you know, this on the top. If you ever made any strudel, this is yummy. Of course, this is the old style of doing it. I think the oven's ready. I think it's time to put it in the oven. Go. We're going to set the time and for 12 minutes, and we're going to try not to eat any of the batter. All right, I'll see you guys later. So it's been about 10 minutes now, so let's take a look at, ooh, check that out. That looks yummy. So, should be about another 10 minutes, maybe 5, who knows. Okay, it's been over 20 minutes. Ooh, yeah, like that hot steam. It's like walking out in Arizona in the summertime. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty well done. Take a little bit of a knife here and poke and see. Doesn't look like, looks like it's done. Didn't stick to the knife. So it smells done too. You know how you know that something just smells done? That's what it smells like. Yes. So we're going to let it sit here and cool off. I'm going to turn off the oven. Just let it cool off here. And let it set and rest for a while. Okay, let's see how this thing turned out. It looks actually really good, so let's see how good it really looks like. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yummy, yummy. This looks really, really good. But you know what? I'm not going to try it because I'm not sure how good it is. So I'm going to let my roommate try it and see. If she dies, then I won't eat it.
Oh, great. I'm sure it's awesome. Because everything you do is awesome.
Oh, thank you, thank you. It's hot yet, but...
Nice.
Is it? Is it yummy?
It is yummy. Yes.
You don't feel sick or anything, right?
The strudel is nice and tender and...
And you don't feel sick?
No.
You feel good?
No, I feel good.
Okay, good. Yes. All right, then I might have a piece too then. All right.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.